Imagine your customer just click on this pay button. Right now their interest is at an all-time high. So instead of making them wait hours for you to check your email and reply manually, my system sends them exactly what they brought on WhatsApp the very second the payment done. So I have my WhatsApp open right here to show you. Look at this message. Every time when a successful payment is done through my Razorpay account, this type of fully customized order related information message is going to be sent to each of my users without me touching my phone. And in this video I'll show you how to set up this 100% instant WhatsApp alerts so you can stop doing manual work. Here we are going to link everything together with zero coding using powerful automation tool called Pabbly Connect. Why this matters for your business? In today's digital economy, the speed to deliver is the biggest factor in customer satisfaction. When a user pays for a product, their excitement is at its peak. The moment they done the payment, if they have to wait even 10 minutes for the confirmation, that excitement turns into a frustration. So using Pabbly Connect, we are going to integrate our Razorpay with Pabbly Chat Flow. It eliminates human error, works 24/7, and it gives high retention because instant delivery builds immediate trust. So without wasting any time, let's start the creation of this workflow. Alright, so this is the workflow builder page of Pabbly Connect. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect, but if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/connect and done the sign up process. And you know what is the craziest part? After you do this, you will receive 100 free tasks every month to explore the software, which is perfect for the testing. But before we proceed, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to integrate multiple applications without coding, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Trust me, this is the best tool that I have ever used. Now, once you've done the sign up process, you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where you have to click on the plus create workflow button that are present on the right hand side. After that, you have to give the name to your workflow, and once you've done all of the setup, then you will successfully come in this page, that is Pabbly Connect trigger page. See, the trigger is the most important step of creating any workflow. Trigger says when this happens. This is the first application you have to select for creating your workflow. So in this tutorial, my objective is that whenever I received a new payment through my Razorpay account, then automatically this automation gets triggered. So for that, I am selecting my trigger application as Razorpay and the app event as payment captured. Next, I am clicking on this connect button. See, it will provide me one webhook URL and the steps mentioned below, that how you can connect your Pabbly Connect account with Razorpay. Now I am going to take you to my Razorpay account. So see, this is my Razorpay account. Here, for making a connection between Pabbly Connect and Razorpay, you just have to click on this developers option and click on this webhooks option. After that, click on this add new webhook. After that, you just have to paste the webhook URL in this field that you have copied from here. After pasting the webhook URL, just enter one secret key and select the event as payment captured. As it is clearly mentioned in the steps below, that you have to select the active event as payment captured. After selecting the event, I am clicking on this create webhook button, and see, my webhook is created successfully, and here it is waiting for a webhook response. So for getting this webhook response, I am going to do one test payment through my Razorpay account. For that, I am again coming in this page and clicking on this payment pages button. See, this is the payment pages that I have already created before. Let's say I want to purchase this midnight elegance black dress, so I am copying its payment link from here and opening it in a new tab. See, this is the dress that I want to purchase. Now for making a payment, I am entering the test details in each of these fields, such as the full name as test user, one test email address, contact number, home address, and the dress too. After that, I am clicking on this pay button. Now I am doing one test payment. Here you just have to wait for a few seconds until your payments get confirmed, and you will see my payment is successfully completed and I have received the receipt too. Now we will check our workflow to see whether we have received a new response or not. See, automatically I received a new response that includes all the test leads that I have entered while doing the payment. This means that the connection between the Razorpay and the Pabbly Connect is working perfectly and the setup of my trigger application is completed. Moving forward, I'm going to select my next application as number formatter. In few minutes, you will understand this, that why I am using this number formatter here. After the app event, I'm selecting as perform math operation and clicking on this connect button. Now in this number field, I am going to map the paid amount from the previous application, that is this Razorpay. So to do the mapping, you just have to enter the slash on the field and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. Now I am doing the mapping of amount. See, here's the address amount and it is showing as 1,50,000, but the payment we have done is only 1,500. Here it is showing 1,50,000 because Razorpay does not include the decimal in the amount. That's why I am using this number formatter to divide the amount by 100. For dividing it, I am entering 1 comma and 100. Next, I am selecting the operation as divide and clicking on the save and send test request button, and you will see I got the actual value of the dress, that is 1,500. See, this is the same amount, and this is how the number formatter works. By using this number formatter, you can perform multiple operations. Now I'm moving forward to my next action application, that is Pabbly Chat Flow. Here I'm using Pabbly Chat Flow for sending a message to my user's WhatsApp account. After selecting the application, the app event, I'm selecting as send text message and clicking on this connect button. If you have an existing connection, then you will go with this option. Here I'm making a new connection, so I am selecting this. Next, it will ask me to enter the token. So for getting this token, I'm going to take you to my Pabbly Chat Flow dashboard. See, this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chat Flow. Now, what is Pabbly Chat Flow? So Pabbly Chat Flow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. Now, for getting this API token, you just have to click on the settings option and go in this API and webhooks option, and here you can get your API token. So copy it from here and paste it in this field. After pasting the API token, you have to click on the save button, and this is how easily you can connect your Pabbly Chat Flow account with Pabbly Connect. Now in this recipient WhatsApp mobile number field, I am again doing the mapping from the previous application, that is this Razorpay, and the process of doing mapping is the same, that you just have to enter the slash on the field and select the response from the previous application. Now what is mapping? So mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes data dynamic, as different users have different information. So for capturing each user's data dynamically, mapping is used. With the help of this mapping, every time when a new payment is successfully completed through your Razorpay account, then automatically this contact number will change completely based on the user's details. After that, I'm entering the message in this WhatsApp message field that I want to send to my user. Here I have entered. Now after this, hi, I want my username. So for that, I'm again doing the mapping from the Razorpay response, that is the user's full name as a test user. Next, here I am going to do the mapping from this number formatter because I want to map the paid amount, means the actual value of the product. For that, I am clicking on this and selecting the actual amount, that is 1,500. Here I am doing the mapping of the dress name. Next, the address. Here I have mapped the delivery details too, and I map only some fields because my objective is only to teach you how you can do the automation by using Pabbly Connect. You can customize this message content completely based on your own business. Next, these are not required fields, so I'm leaving these blank. But before clicking on the save and send test request button, I want you to know that the contact number I have mapped in this recipient WhatsApp mobile number field is the dummy number, and sending a message to dummy contact number is not possible. So for that, I'm removing this number from here and going to enter my number manually in this field, just only for the testing purpose. But you have to make sure that in this field you just have to map the real contact number that you will receive from the previous application. It is very important step. With the help of this only, the user will receive the message to their WhatsApp account. And one more thing, the number will include the country code without plus sign. After entering my number manually, I am clicking on the Save and Send Test Request button, and you will see I received the positive response, that is status as success and messages sent. Now I am going to show you my WhatsApp account. See, immediately I received a new message, and it is personalized, means it includes my name as a test user, dress as Midnight Elegance black dress, payment amount, and all the details that I have entered in this WhatsApp message field. So this is how it works, and I want you to know that I have clicked on the Save and Send Test Request button just only for the testing purpose. You don't have to click on this button manually, you just have to click on the Save button and the automation will occur automatically. As we have received the message, this means that our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this amazing workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. With the help of this automation, whenever a successful payment can be done through your Razorpay account, then automatically the user will receive personalized message to their WhatsApp instantly, automatically. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing workflow for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. Trust me, this tool is going to be really very beneficial for you and your business. It saves a lot of your time and give the real boost to your business that they really need. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.